What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add your home address in Google Maps. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your phone. To get a clearer and more detailed view of your house's location, switch to Satellite View. To do this, tap on the layers icon and select Satellites from the options. Now, navigate to the exact area where your home is located. Zoom in closely and you can clearly identify your house. Once you've found it, tap on the Contribute option at the bottom of the screen and then select Add Place. On the Add a Place page, tap on Edit Map Location and carefully move the pin so that it's placed exactly on your house. Once the pin is correctly placed, tap Done. Now, it's time to enter the details. Tap on Place Name and enter the name of the house. For category, choose Residential, then narrow it down to something like Housing Complex, Flat Complex or Apartment Complex depending on your situation. In the address field, type in your full address as clearly and accurately as possible. This includes house number, street name, area, city and postal code. You can leave other optional fields blank or fill them. Finally, tap Submit. Google will review your submission, and if everything looks good, your home address will be added to Google Maps. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.